Kaise ho Eleonoro? Hope everyone is doing great. Just got some new floor mats for the Kia Seltos. Ordered this from Amazon. Hopefully the match should be good. So let me put it in. Let's go get my luggage and let's start. Not going in the car to Bangalore, we're going in the flight. But most of my old subscribers know the drill. I take the car, park it at the airport instead of taking a cab from here. Fits almost perfectly. No, perfectly. Done. Oh shit, we should start by 11. Time is 5 to 11, dude. Okay, back home. I know it sounds funny, right? Literally there was like 2 days in between, but I did not vlog. Reason being, there was nothing much to vlog because I did not go out. I did not step out of the house even for a single second. So yes, that was my quick Bangalore trip. Right now I'm feeling tired, but we have something really exciting coming up. You will not be disappointed. Our bike trip is gonna start soon. You people are gonna go like, but there's only 1 day in between. Literally, today I reached from Bangalore. Time is exactly 9:53 p.m. Tomorrow, one day I have to pack everything and leave from here because day after tomorrow our ride is gonna start. We're still planning. It's just me and Shiva, so we're trying to push it for one more day. But there's a lot of things to do. Let's quickly start. First thing, let's unbox this AGV helmet. Then fix this mount. I have to fix a GoPro to the helmet, and rest of the packing from tomorrow will start. All right. Okay, this is the pin lock. This goes inside the helmet's visor. That's for anti-fogging and all that. Now, an interesting thing about the AGV helmet is that this comes in 2 covers. Okay, this is the first upper cover, which is the main bag of the helmet, a black bag. And then inside, as you can see, there is one more grey color bag. I'll fix this Anna, I'll fix the GoPro, and I'll see you guys. Vlogging and doing all this is like very difficult. This room is quite a jungle. I mean, look at it. Last night I tried fixing the helmet. Remove the Senna from here, put it on the new helmet. GoPro, it is definitely difficult to put it on this because of this uneven shape. Somehow till almost 2 AM I worked and I could get it done. I'm planning to go do some shopping. I need to get a 3M tape. I need to get some clothes for myself. Also, we'll be meeting Shiva because we'll be doing some planning about the itinerary. Where to go, how to go, what to do, what not to do. A lot of things going in the head. Last night we spoke for almost 2 hours. This is the itinerary. I can't show you what is it. You guys are gonna enjoy this trip. Let's see if I can get all my work done and if I can pack everything today. Then most probably tomorrow afternoon we should leave. Very excited. Let me go get my panniers. And this time to my toiletries bag, I'm gonna add my daily face care routine. All this definitely help me maintain my skin, especially after doing a bike trip. This is the vitamin C foaming face wash. It's got like 97.6% natural ingredients. I need not tell you the benefits of vitamin C on your skin. One of the primary ingredients that you need to repair your skin, to brighten it up. Main thing with a vitamin C face wash is it helps reduce the spots. And what I love especially about this product is these bristles. They help you massage and cleanse your face. Next, I apply the face serum. Once you cleanse your face, and you take the serum and dab it and press it onto your skin. Do this for a minute, give it a nice massage and let the serum get absorbed. You can use this like twice daily. It's infused with vitamin C, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. It helps hydrate the skin and brighten complexion. 98.5% of these ingredients are natural. The third product that I use is the vitamin C face cream by Wow. I can smell like a proper vitamin C in it. Do you guys know how vitamin C smells? The smell's got a tint of orange. This is also infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. You can apply this cream on your neck and your face as well. It removes the dull skin and it makes your face bright. And also you have the citrus body butter. You can use this once you take a bath, apply it all over your body, especially if you have like dry skin in winters and all that. This one helps rejuvenate your skin, smoothen it, and it boosts overall skin health. So all this will be going into my toiletries bag. And one more good thing about Wow products is that they don't have any added parabens, no silicons. All the ingredients they use are proper plant-based ingredients. And yes, Wow is a proper Indian brand, truly made in India. And the best part is they have a Wow app. You can buy most of the Wow products from here. You'll have app-specific offers. It's very easy to navigate. The app link, you can find it below in the description. And oh yes, one more thing. There is a QR code on each of this Wow product. Scanning this QR code will help you determine the product's authenticity. And the best part is, whenever you scan, you get some points which can be redeemed on your next purchase. So now let me quickly go do some chota sa shopping. Already did some shopping for my protein bars and all that. A lot of stuff to carry. And all the snacks I got for Pooja, but she didn't take it. Because Pooja is not here. She went to Bangalore to visit her sister for a couple of days. Actually, even Srujan said he wants to shop something. I understand it's his marriage and all, but every time I call him, he's either in office or shopping. Suju, one good advice, you're just getting married, be with the girl more, not in shopping, okay? I know you're not even shopping with the girl, you're shopping for yourself. Bad. First thing to do is, I forgot, put the maps and navigate to the place I'm going, so that it's not that I don't know the routes and all that, but traffic updates. Second thing is to wear your seatbelt. Third thing is to start the car, obviously. Fourth thing is to get out of here. Fifth most important thing is to stop bakwas, like what I'm doing right now. See you in a second.
Which phone number for Shivati 120? Calling now.
What's up, Srijan?
You sit in seat kacho magic.
Magic. Editing lo magic.
Off camera chala hota hai.
Srijan, where's your darling?
Huh?
Where's your darling, dude?
Darling? Who's my darling?
Okkadve tirutunnavu itla?
My baby, my wifey, my fiance.
Yes.
Oh shit.
చూసావా గ్లో ఎంత వస్తుందో ముఖంలో ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ చూసారా?
రే ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ ఆల్రెడీ 1 week అయిందిరా.
పెళ్లి కూడా 1 year అవుతుంది మెల్లగా తెలియకుండా. అప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి సినిమాలు.
Dude, we met almost after a week. I mean, after my engagement.
ఎక్సల్ కలుస్తారా? వారం అంతా నాతోనే ఉంటావు. అయిపోయింది ఇంకా అది. We are done, dude. You divorced me. You divorced me. We used to go like this before. Remember?
Every day.
Remember those days?
Those days.
Every day, white Creta may have just changed to white Seltos.
Same body, same chassis.
But do you have?
What?
Do you have 360 camera?
I have.
Do you have Bose speakers?
I have Boss. Boss do better. I don't know, where are we going?
Hey, you want ventilated seats?
I'm already using.
Mundara. See, सामने कुत्तो. अरे.
Hey, this has every monitor.
నువ్వు కాదురా బాగా. Okay, first we need to go. You already shopped? You shopped something? Srujan, what is this? You need to shop for your fiance, not for yourself. All the time you're shopping for yourself only. Every time I call you, you're either at work or shopping. In life lo em leva running options. Only shopping or work.
Bike.
What bike? Which bike do you have now?
Hey, 4 bikes, bro.
None of them work. There's no battery.
If traction is in the showroom, servicing.
Why? Again battery?
3rd service. Fourth.
అక్కడ దాకా వచ్చింది అది. బాగానే గుంజుకొచ్చారు.
గుంజి.
Okay, I don't know about you, but I need to shop for some thermals because it's so cold, dude. You're asking me to ride with. This guy is not coming. Right, go. हो गया शादी इसका. Almost acting like he's got married already. When are you gonna come for the next ride? अरे some calls that we can't take. When are you gonna come for the next ride?
Feb.
Feb. इसका बड़ा ट्रिप है Feb में. Hopefully you don't tell us and reasons that time that my darling is asking me not to go. We have plans here in Hyderabad.
అందుకోసమే వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ
Feb 14th is a Valentine's Day. We need to spend time.
Jan 27th ఒక్కటే ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉంటే చాలు.
పెళ్ళి ఎప్పుడు?
May 22nd.
May 22nd, we're gonna get some exciting vlogs. We'll get a vlog for Sangeet, we'll get a vlog for reception, we'll get a vlog for marriage. Ante akkadiki chalu.
See, ante chalu. Inka వేరే దానికి నువ్వు కూడా ఇన్వైట్ కాదరా?
Obviously కాదరా, చెప్పాలరా. We'll go to first jockey store. I need to get some thermals.
Where? Which jockey? No,
any jockey. You only said you know all jockeys.
Okay, fine. కార్ నాది కాదు, పెట్రోల్ బానే ఉంది.
అవునా, ఉందా?
136.
అరే దగ్గరకు ఉందిరా. But I'm getting decent mileage. ఎంత వస్తుంది mileage? Now it's less because I've been driving in sports mode. 10.8 kilometers for a liter. But last night from the airport till here I got 14. Which is good, decent. మంచిదే కదా.
కింద చూడి ప్యాంట్ సార్.
మంచిదే. So Srujan is basically wearing what? A formal shirt, a formal pant. Formal pant है ना ये? Formal pant and Where's the boots? Why is this combination so weird?
కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో వెళ్తే లెదర్ షూస్ పాడవుతున్నాయని.
If you're into construction, వాడుకోండి. Ideas. With safety. Okay, going into the shopping mall, can't take this huge cinema camera, so I'll put you guys here. See you guys in a couple of minutes. Sharon, you don't have rear lights?
Physical controls, especially.
ఇక్కడ రావా?
అక్కడ లేదురా, ఇది కియా కాదురా. నువ్వు బ్యాటరీ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారా? త్రక్షణ
We have range, right? 50%.
అలా నడిపితే రాదు.
ఒకసారి కెమెరా వస్తాం బాగా తిట్టాలి చరణ్ని. 1 2 3 తిట్టరా.
కూడా సెక్సీగా.
Hey Siri, please call Aditya Parami.
Still on it.
The KTM.
Calling Aditya Parami. Mobile.
అరే నీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాలరా బిఫోర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద వ్లాగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో అండ్ కమ్ అగైన్. గో ఫర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద వ్లాగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ మీ దట్ యుర్ కమింగ్ సో దట్ ఐ కీప్ ద కెమెరా రెడీ.
నేను వచ్చిన బైక్ పెడతావా అని ఎవడో అన్నాడు డిక్కీలో.
ఇప్పటికి ఎంత లూజ్ చూడది.
డబుల్ ఎక్సెల్ సబ్
going to the trip tomorrow.
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ మామా. రైట్ సేఫ్.
You know where are we going now?
రైట్.
ఇప్పుడు ఆ హష్ ఏడుకో ఉంటది. ఇక్కడ పోతాం.
We are going to buy cheddis for me. No, we are going to get some thermals for me. English లో చెప్పాలంటే థర్మల్స్. ఓకే, థర్మల్స్. బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ టూ కోల్డ్ టు రైడ్ డూడ్. అరే ఇప్పుడు చలి ఎక్కువ పెడుతున్నారు. అప్పుడు మా బాలేశ్వరంలో గుర్తుంది ఎట్లా క్యానో ఇప్పుడు 5 degrees ఉందంట రోడ్లన్నీ.
అవును, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు?
ఇది కాదు శ్రీమన్నాడు చెప్పింది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ రోడ్.
I found my inner sand thermal wear. Today I realized that this is one of the most difficult tasks to do. Full city mein we couldn't find a jockey store. All because of this stupid fellow.
కేబుల్ లేదురా.
ఇవ్వు అయితే నీది బెటర్.
ఏం చేశారా?
లేదా ఫోటో.
We were talking on phones without taking me.
కేబుల్ ఒకటే.
One job done. Very important job. What are we doing next?
I don't know.
డిన్నర్.
Okay, Srujan is taking us to pre-wedding dinner.
అరే ఇది పని చేయట్లేదు.
ఆన్ చేయాలి కార్ ఆన్ చేయాలి.
కార్ ఆన్ చేయరా ఫస్ట్.
కొన్ని ఛాంబరా కార్ ఆన్ చేస్తే రేంజ్ తగ్గిపోద్ది.
50% ఉంది. డ్రైవర్ లెక్క నడుపు.
Arey, you should become a driver part time because I was about to call you and tell you that arey reverse karke rakho car. By the time I came it is reverse. Full experience. It seems Aditya has share here. What is this place called?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Cuba driving.
I don't know.
Cuba driving. Cuba.
Cuba na.
Cuba.
I think it's got a share here. Idhar hi jayenge. Okay, got us here. Actually, that's a nice place here, sanctuary.
ఫస్ట్ అరే సాంచురీ చెప్పిందే నువ్వు నాకు చెప్తున్నావారా?
మరి ఇక్కడికి ఎందుకు తీసుకొచ్చారా? ఎట్లా కొట్లాడంట కార్లో? అయితే ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్ బోల్నా. You people will laugh.
చెప్పలే మొన్న.
అదే అది మిస్ అయ్యా. Later we what about it? All this fine, but there is a nice bike there, dude. Did you see that bike? S1000 RR.
ఇది చూడు.
That's RS6. What is it? RS7.
పైకి వెళ్దామా వద్దా?
Wheels are.
అరే సాంచురీకి వెళ్దామా ఇక్కడికి వెళ్దామా?
మేము నడుచుకుంటూ వచ్చాం, మమ్మల్ని రాని లోపల. Sanctuary.
ఓన్లీ కపుల్స్ అంట.
Only couples అంట.
ఇద్దరు కపుల్స్ ఇక్కడ.
Come. Yeah, they said only couples allowed. And do you have any reservations, sir? No, we're just walking in. Hey, 1 second. Did you guys realize something?
Oh, yeah, Ladakh.
Yeah, good boy. This is a Ladakh gang. Reaction లేదేంట్రా?
ఫుడ్ ఆర్డర్ చేయడం
చరణ్ ఏమంటున్నావు?
నాకు అసలు ఇంట్రోనో పిలవడో ఏమి ఇవ్వలే కదా.
చరణ్ ఈస్ హియర్.
అబ్బా కార్లకి చరణ్ ఈస్ హియర్ అంట.
Became the free car.
ఫ్రీ కార్.
1 rupee per kilometer. Me and Suju are giving 50 paise per kilometer. Not free, like coupon code వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఇంద్ర మళ్ళీ
నువ్వు సనత్ నగర్కి ఎన్నిసార్లు పోయినావు నాకు తెలుసు.
Actually we shouldn't pay him anything because Sanat Nagar mein he is using free electricity. నీ 1 rupee per kilometer కూడా కాదు, ఫ్రీ.
పెట్టా ఆ మాత్రం ఇవ్వాలి మరి.
అది టాటాకి ఇచ్చావు, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ గీలేదు.
ఇది ప్రైవేట్ రా, పబ్లిక్ కరెంట్ కాదు.
పబ్లిక్ కరెంట్ రా అది.
ఎవరితో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను? వీళ్ళు ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడానుకో నేను ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ కడతా, నేను GST కడతా.
Veg burger?
వెజ్ బర్గర్ అచ్చా
Veg burger with skinny fries.
ఫ్రైస్ ఆడు కాంప్లిమెంటరీ
మరి స్పెషల్ ఆర్డర్ చేసుకున్నాడు పాప.
బొక్క
కాంప్లిమెంటరీ.
బర్గర్తో ఫ్రైస్ ఇస్తారు కదా.
బట్ యా కోవిడ్ మే స్పెషల్ యూ గెట్ ట్రైన్లో పార్సల్ ఇట్లా ఇచ్చేటోళ్ళు చిన్నప్పుడు.
బాగాలేకపోతే టీసీ కంపెనీ.
Pasta. Arey, I want this, please. Love this. One of my favorites. What is this called? Bell peppers. हमारा तो chicken steak, seafood. What is this? Fish steak. So then I'm back home. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, do all that shit because next vlogs are gonna be lit. Take my word for it, they're gonna be lit. Packing pura almost done. In the next vlog you'll be seeing, I'll be showing you what all am I taking. I'm gonna load the Tiger like properly, and I'm not sure, but maybe this might be no, I'll not say anything actually.